fourth, penny, penny, fifth, rupee, fifth, rupee, rupee. I repeat the words, children. Please note down if you have missed any among them, please. The first one is half, second bifurcate, third subdivide, fourth penny, and fifth rupee. Now, Jyoti ma'am, you may show the screen so that they can do the corrections if anything.
Yes, thank you, Rashmi ma'am. Now, children, look at the screen. These are the words spoken by Rashmi ma'am. So please check your spelling and I will tell you the meaning of these words also. The first word is HALVE, halve. It means when you divide any object into equal two parts. Okay? To divide something into two equal parts, then each part is called the half of the other one. Fine. The second one is bifurcate. Bifurcate means divide into two parts, but not necessarily equal. It should not be necessary that both parts should be equal. Okay. Third one is divide, subdivide. Subdivide means divide into smaller and smaller pieces. Or you can say form into subdivisions. When you are making many parts of any object, then it's called subdivide. Fourth one is penny. Penny means a coin worth 1/100th of a pound or the value of the basic unit. This penny is used by Britishers before 1971. Okay. Now the last word is rupee, RUPEE. It means the basic unit of money in India is equals to 100 paisa, as you all know. So please, children, if you have done wrong, so please correct it. And if you want, you can write the meaning of these words also. So it will increase your vocabulary. So if you want, you can take a screenshot or you can write it down. Okay, children, now let's come to the topic. In the last class, we were doing exercise 2.2, till question number 7 we have done. If you have any query till question number 7 of exercise 2.2, so please write down in a chat box. Okay, Yogi, very nice. If two are correct, doesn't matter. Just write down the correct spelling of these words and write it down 5 times. Okay. Daily, I'm trying to share with you new words, new meanings of that. So you can increase your vocabulary. Any one of you can keep yourself unmute if you're interested, but there should be no noise. If anyone interested, so please raise your hand. Okay, very nice, Anmol. Devyansh, very nice. Okay, Devyansh is, okay, you can unmute yourself, Devyansh. Please, children, if you have any problem in exercise 2.2 till question number 7, so please let me know. Otherwise, I will start from the next question. Devyansh, I have given you the permission. You can unmute yourself. Devyansh?
Yes, ma'am.
So nobody having any problem till question number 7? I've explained you the second part of question number 7 yesterday, and third part I have given for the homework. I hope everybody done this question. Are you doing homework daily or not? Are you doing homework daily? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Another day I will check your homework. You all have to show your maths copy ki you are doing the work or not. So please be particular about the homework. Whatever we are giving you every day, you have to do in your maths copy in a neat and clean way. Fine. Now let's come to the question number 8. Adyan, which question do you want to ask? Please write down the complete chat. Adyan. Now let's come to the question number 8. Question number 7, Adyan, which part? Adyan, please, can you write which part you want to ask? Please write it down in the chat box.
Yes.
Part 3. Okay, fine, beta. Okay, children, on demand, I'm going to explain you the third part of question number 7. Question number 7, third part, right? Find the following products by using suitable property. You have to find the product of these two numbers, 1005 and 188. But here,
Number 175.
I think there is a voice from your side. Please keep yourself mute, beta. The branch. Okay. So here you have to find the product of these two numbers, but not in usual way. But not in usual way. You have to find the product by using suitable property. So which number we have to break it? Which number we have to break it to for a suitable property? Who is going to tell me? We have to break 1005 into 1000 plus 5. Can we write 1005 like this? 1000 plus 5? If yes, so please show the thumb. Can we write 1005 as 1000 plus 5? Quickly response. Ark, kindly unmute yourself. Ark Agarwal, kindly unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Keep yourself unmuted during the class. Now, what we have to do? 1000 plus 5 into 188. Which property we have to use here? Tell me. Which property we have to apply here to simplify this? Write in the chat box. Distributive property over addition. Why addition? Because there is a plus sign. Okay? Now, with the help of this property, we have to multiply 188 by 1000 and then multiply 188 by 5. Okay? So, when you multiply 1000, you can write it here, 88. Then you have to write 88 multiplied by 1000 plus 88 multiplied by 5. Okay. So what would be the product of these two numbers? Write it down in the chat box quickly. What is the product of these two numbers? It is 188, beta. It is 188. Find out the product of this 188 with 1000. How much it is? 188,000. Okay. Question is different. Okay, fine. Now, when you multiply 188 by 5, then it gives you 188 by 5. 5 8s are 40. Again, 5 8s are 40 plus 4. This is 44. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 4, 940. So it is 940. Now, add these two numbers. It gives you 049,881. So this is the product. This is your answer. I hope it is clear. By using distributive property over addition, you can simplify it. So this property you have to apply here to find the product of these two numbers. I hope it is clear. Adyan, it is clear. Please show the thumb. Okay, fine. Now let's come to the question number 8. I'm going to solve this one question. Question number 8, just read the question carefully. Divide 7,750 by 17 and check the result by division algorithm method. Okay. So what is a division algorithm method? In the starting, I have told you about division algorithm method. Division algorithm method. According to this, we are having a formula A equals to B into Q plus R, where the value of R is greater than 0 or equals to 0, but it should be less than B, where A is what? A is called the dividend. A is called the dividend. Okay? B is what? Please write it down in a chat box. What is B? Quickly write it down in the chat box. Here, what is B? Divisor. It is divisor. Q is quotient. Q is quotient. And R is remainder. Okay. So according to this, dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This formula we have to apply in this question. Okay. So let's see how to do it. First of all, we have to divide 7,750 by 17 and then check it by this formula. Just hold a minute, beta. So here we are going to divide it by long division method. So simply divide it 7,750 divided by 17. Okay. So now divide it. How many times you have to take it? 17 fours are. So when you multiply 17 by 4, it gives you 68. When you subtract 68 from 77, how much it gives you? Quickly write in a chat box. Quickly write in a chat box, bache. How much is left if you subtract 68 from 77? Yes, it's 9. Very good. It's 9. Now then copy down 5. Okay. Now it becomes 95. How many times you have to multiply 17 to get the number less than 95 or equals to 95? 5 times. When you multiply 17 by 5, it gives you 85. Again, you need to subtract them and then you will get 10. And then copy down the 0. Now it becomes 100. Now again, you have to multiply by 5. So 17 5s are how much? It is 85. After subtraction, you will get 15. Okay. So this is what? 7,750 is the dividend. It is a dividend. Okay. 17 is what? Quickly write it down in the chat box. What is 17? What is 17? 17 is a divisor. Okay. 17 is a divisor. Divisor is what? The number which is to be divided is called dividend, and the number by which the dividend is divided is called the divider. Okay. Divisor. Or 455 is what? Quotient. It is called quotient and it is called remainder. Okay. Now in this way, you will get the values of divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Now we have to use this formula and check is the answer correct or not. Very good. Adyan and Mol. So dividend value is dividend value equals to divisor into quotient. Children, today there is a very interesting quiz, so don't leave the class early, okay? And remainder. Now, using this formula and put the values of dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. So what is the value of divisor? What is the value of divisor? Quickly, write it down. It is 17. Okay. Divisor is 17. Quotient is what? 455. And remainder is what? How much it is? 15. Now solve it. When you multiply 455 by 17, how much it gives you? 5 sevens are 35. Again, 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 3, how much? 38. Okay. 4 sevens are 28. 28 plus 3, 31. Then put the multiple sign. 1 5 are 5, 1 5 are 5, 1 4 are 4. So how much it is? 8 plus 5, 13. 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay? So it is 7,735. Anmol, has patience. I will tell you after the question. Now after that, add 7,735 with 15. How much it gives you? Quickly. 0. Then 3 plus 1, 4 plus 5, 77. Now you will get the same value of dividend. When you solve division into question plus remainder, it gives you 7,750, which is equals to the dividend. Dividend, what is the value? What was the value of dividend? 7,750. So you get the same value. It means whatever the calculation you have done here in the long division, it is correct. So in this way, you can check your answer. I hope it is clear. I'm explaining once again. In this question, it is saying you have to divide 7,750 by 17. And after that, you have to check the result. And the result should be checked by this method, division algorithm method. So what is the division algorithm method? In division algorithm method, you have to use this one formula. Dividend equals to divisor into question plus remainder. In this formula, you know the value of dividend, which is 7,750, and divisor value, which is 17, but you don't know the value of question and remainder. So first of all, you have to divide these two numbers. Okay, divide 7,750 divided by 17, and then you will get the question and remainder. Now you have to check that whatever the remainder it comes, it is correct or not. To check the result, you have to put the value of divisor, quotient, and remainder according to this formula, and then find the and then simplify it. So after simplification, you get that the value is equals to the dividend. It means your answer is correct. Okay? I hope it is clear to everybody. Please raise your hand if it is okay. Fine. What about rest of all? What about rest of all? Quickly response. Okay, children. Now I'm going to play a quiz for you. So it is a very interesting quiz. The marks will not be recorded. Okay, so don't worry about the marks. The marks will not be recorded. You have to play this quiz in a fun way and connect yourself what you have learned about the chapter. So today is a quiz related to the chapter 1, knowing our numbers. Fine. So in this quiz, you are having 10 MCQs questions. So solve the questions quickly. Okay, you have to take the time. And for this quiz, I will send you a link on the chat. Okay, so everybody on your chat box, I will send the link in the chat box. What you have to do? Go to the chat box and open the link. Fine. As you open the link, the quiz will start. So I'm sending, I'm pasting the link in the chat box. Wait for a minute, children. Now, children, I've sent the link. I've sent the link to you all. Please go to the chat box and open this link. Open this link. Quickly, please go to the chat box and open the link. When you all come, then I will start the quiz. Is there any problem, children? Have you find the link or not? Have you all find the link in the chat box? You can unmute yourself. Anmol, kindly, Anmol and Adyan, kindly unmute yourself. Anmol and Adyan, kindly unmute yourself. Am I audible to all of you? Rashmi ma'am, are you there? Adyan, have you find the link or not? Rashmi ma'am, kindly
Yes, ma'am.
unmute yourself. Yes. Have you find the link?
Ma'am, start.
The chat box? Okay. You can unmute yourself, Rashmi ma'am. I've given the permission. Okay, many of you have joined. Very nice. But only 15 students joined the quiz. But in the class, there are 29. So please, everybody, quickly open the link. So I can start the quiz. Quickly, what you have to do, only just go in a chat box and click on the link so you can able to access the quiz. So please, everybody, do quickly. Only 17 participants in the quiz. Many more left. I'm waiting for you all, children. Please quickly join the link because the time is almost going to be over. So please don't waste the time. Quickly join the link. Now it's 21. 8 students are left. 8 students are left. Quickly join the link. Quickly open the link, everybody.
Matsu, खड़ा हो जा.
Don't speak, otherwise I will keep mute all of you. (22) now. 7 are left. 7 are left. Quickly join the link. You can start now. Now I'm going to start. So it's time to gear up. And best of luck, children. Now you can start. Very nice, Bhavya. Very nice. Very good, Vaibhav. Very nice. Quickly, Rishabh. Very nice. Well going. Ram. Very nice, Peter. Keep it. Quickly. Very nice, Kanishka. Very well done. Don't stop. Continue playing. Too good. Vaibhav, very nice. Bhavya, marks are increasing continuously. Now Fiona is on the first number. Very nice, Fiona. Kanishka, Rishabh, very nice. Faraz, start playing, Faraz. Why you stop playing? Faraz, please start playing. Ark, also start playing. Very nice, Faraz. Very nice. Aura, please start playing, beta. Aura, please start playing. Divyansh, why you stop playing, beta? Just play the quiz. Maham, please give the answers. Start playing. Vakshi, Aura, Deeksha, all of you, please start playing. Very nice. Those who are doing very well. Fiona, Vaibhav, Bhavya, Ram. These students are doing very well. Nice, Shripari, Faraz, Rishabh. Very good. Deeksha, start playing, Deeksha, beta. Deeksha, start playing. Aura, you have to start playing. Why you are late? Please start playing, Adyan. Very nice. Vaibhav, very good, Vaibhav. Fiona, these people are doing very well. Those who are not playing, please start playing. Aura, you are in the quiz beta. Why you are not playing? Please try. Don't worry about the marks. Marks are not going to be added. Okay? Rashmi ma'am, you can also play. Rashmi ma'am, you can also play. Aura, Diksha, please start playing. Yes, very nice. Adyan, please start playing, beta. Very good, Nandini, Divyansh, Kanishka, Anmol. Very nice. Yogya, Rishabh, Faraz scored very well. Vaibhav also scored very well. Very nice. Okay, Sarvi. Okay, Purav. But join the class with your name. Very nice. So now, Aura has not started playing. And Adyan, you also not started playing. You are getting the option of wrong questions. You will get one more choice, chance to put the correct one. Very nice, Faraz. Yogya, fast, beta. Reply the answers quickly. Yogya and Rishabh. Kanishka is doing very well. Nandini is also doing very well. Time Franchpur. With Time Franchpur. Just start playing, beta. Tanya, you also please start playing. Now I'm going to stop the quiz. I'm going to stop the quiz, okay? Now it's time to over. So I'm going to stop the quiz. I'm giving you 2 minutes more. I'm giving you 2 minutes more. Quickly attempt all the questions, then I will start. I will stop the quiz. Diksha is not replying. Rest of all are playing very well. Very good, children. Now it's time to end up the quiz. One, after counting five, I will stop and I will stop the quiz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the quiz is stopped. Very nice. Faraz comes first, Art second, and third Kiona. Very nice. To all of you, all students have done very well. They are giving very many correct answers, doing very well. So I can see your result on my screen. So have you enjoyed the quiz, children? You can unmute yourself and please send your feedback. Have you enjoyed today's quiz or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Was it interesting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the questions are difficult or average? Yes, speak out, but Anmol. How was the question?
Yes.
Easy, very nice. Are saying the question are very easy. Vaibhav is also saying. Okay, so you all are enjoyed today through this quiz. So once in a week, we can play the quiz. I will play the quiz for you all once in a week. Okay. And this quiz always the questions which I am taking in the quiz always related to the chapter, what you are doing. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No, Kanishka, you cannot do any time. Once in a week, I will arrange a quiz for you. Okay. The chapter which is going on that chapter, I will take the questions and you play. And try to do the calculation fast. Through this quiz, you can improve your speed also. Okay, improve your calculations. So it boosts up your calculation, your interest. Fine. So I think it is very good. All have joined this quiz and enjoy this quiz. Okay. So now time is almost going to be over. Do you have any query in the exercise? Do you have any question query in the exercise which we have doing today? Question number 8, may any problem? Is it clear to all of you? Question number 8 is clear to all of you or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's do the 9th one. Find the number which when divided by 38 gives the question 23 and remainder 17. Yes, what are you saying? Please write in a chat box. Whatever you want to say, please write in a chat box, Peter. Okay. So let's see the 9th question. I'm giving you the hint of this question and you have to do yourself. Find the number which when divided by 38 gives the question 23 and remainder 17. It means in this question, remainder 17 is given. This is the remainder. Okay, question 23 is given and 38 is the divisor. It is the divisor. And you have to find the dividend. What do you have to find out? Dividend. Okay. So use this formula, dividend equals to divisor into question plus remainder, and put the values given. In place of divisor, you have to write 38. In place of question, you have to write 23. In place of remainder, you have to write 17. Okay? And then calculate it. After doing simplification, you will get the dividend. So children, do yourself. It's a very easy question. Only you have to just put the values of the given dividend and divisor in the formula and simplify it. So I hope you can all do. So please do in a homework. Okay. Now tomorrow I will start from question number 10. So till question number 9, you have to do a lot of practice. Till question number 9, you have to do a lot of practice and do the homework also. Tomorrow I will ask the questions till question number 9. Small questions like MCQs till question number 9. So prepare this topic. Okay, I'm end of the meeting. Take care, children. Have a nice day. Okay, bye everybody. Bye all of you.